How to hide balance in Sparrow Wallet. Welcome back to Wake&Tech. In Sparrow Wallet, if you really want to hide your balance so that you can protect it from prying eyes, then the process is quite easy, so let's jump in. First of all, launch open the Sparrow Wallet application on your device, and once you're inside your wallet homepage, go ahead and click on the View button from the top left. From the expanded menu, click on the Hide Amounts button, and you'll be able to see your balance hidden in the Transactions page. If you want to reveal your balance again, then you can go to the View tab once more and uncheck this Hide Amounts option, and there you are back again. Keeping your balance hidden is useful when screen recording, taking screenshots, or using Sparrow in public. So there you have it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.